Greetings! It's Maxo Diddley. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can fix this error message that you may encounter on your Unity WebGL game. Let's get right into it. So the error message will be on a red box that appears on top of your Unity WebGL game, and it will occur when you're trying to load the game, and it will be something along the lines of unable to parse, then the name of your game, and then it will contain a few details about it. You might look at this and think, oh no, what does all of this mean? The good news is there's a really simple and quick fix you can do. So you need to go into your Unity project, and then go to File, and then go to Build Settings. Then you want to navigate to WebGL, and then click on Player Settings. Then you want to go to the Publishing settings for WebGL, and there'll be an option called Decompression Fallback. You want to tick this box. Basically, this option enables Unity to embed a JavaScript decompressor into your build. And this decompressor will decompress your content if the browser fails to do so. So the error you're most likely seeing is related to a decompression error. Your game can't be decompressed, and ticking this box will in most cases get around this issue. Now this can make your game file size a little bit bigger. However, whenever I've done it, there has not been a noticeable increase, and the positives really outweigh the drawbacks. So if you're having doubts about that, try it out, compare the sizes. But this is a really quick fix that doesn't require you to go tinkering with the server you're hosting your WebGL game on. One other little note, the decompression fallback option was first introduced in Unity 2020.1, so if you're in an earlier version, you're not going to see it. But anyways, thanks for being a great audience. Be sure to leave a like and a comment if you enjoyed, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.